How to fix Wi-Fi connected to device but can provide internet issue on your Android device. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will see some of these tips in order to fix if your Android device is connected to a Wi-Fi but does not have internet access. So here is how you can fix it. First of all, look for the basics. Ensure that the internet access on the Wi-Fi network. Test the Wi-Fi connection with another device to ensure that the issue is not within the network itself. If no device can access the internet, then you have to restart your router. If that does not help you, now reconnect to Wi-Fi. For that, go to your Wi-Fi settings and then tap on the network or Wi-Fi. Tap and hold on it and then simply tap on forget. After that, reconnect the network or the Wi-Fi by selecting it and re-entering its password. Once you do that, check whether your problem is solved or not. If that still does not help you, then try to restart your device. Restart your Android device and also restart your Wi-Fi router. Unplug it for 30 seconds and then plug it back in. Wait for the router to establish a stable connection and check whether that will help you or not. If still not, look for the Wi-Fi signal strength. Weak signals can cause intermittent internet access, so move closer to the router and see if the issue resolves. And if that still does not help you, now look for the Wi-Fi settings. For that, open up your Wi-Fi settings, tap on it, then tap on this edit icon at the top right, and here tap on advanced options, and then you have to change its IP settings from static to DHCP. Here tap on IP settings, and if you have set it to static, change it to DHCP. Also look for the proxy settings. There make sure it is selected as none. And once done, tap on save. Once you do that, now go back and check whether now if your Wi-Fi is working or if you have internet access or not. If still not, then have to go back to the settings. Scroll down and then tap on system. Now go to reset options and here tap on reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth. Once you confirm it, tap on reset and here it will clear all your saved networks, so you will need to reconnect manually. Once you do that, now go back and check whether now you gain the internet access or not. If still not, look for your device update. Again, go to the settings and under system, there is an option as software update. Tap on it and make sure you have installed all the available features or version of your device. And if the problem still persists, now you have to contact your internet service provider to check for the service outages. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.